Jakie moja शेजानीन पोपायो रोयल्यो ल्योतीन आचताचे तिणी काडून रीन सामावल्यो बरे जिनसीन दोन मोरण नशिबान एक उरली जी बोमायतान गोंया येताना नदर ताचेर पडली तुवें सोदतान हांवें पयलीं पोपाय रामता ती आनी ओगोत करुना कुशीच्या शेजाऱ्याच्या कानान शेंबडी लोटली आगो जाय गे म्हाका शेमाय जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तिका केला शिरवाय पूण ताची म्हाका आपुरबाय आगो जाय गे म्हाका शेमाय जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तिका केला शिरवाय पूण म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय पोपायेची खबर मांयक सांगली मांय म्हजी पिनवली आज फोन काडून आंगार आयली आनी फेरे फेरे करूंक लागली एक दीस हांवें गंमत केली मांयक फटयली उपाशी रावन बांकार कामरून उठली मारली मांय म्हजी पळोवन म्हाका बाबा उठावंक लागली आनी उठोन हांवें मांयच्या कानान शेंपडी लोटली आगे जाय गे म्हाका मांय जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तिका केला शिरवाय पूण म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय आगे जाय गे म्हाका मांय जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तिका केला शिरवाय पूण म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय म्हाका पळोवन मांय गाबोली धांवून धांवून दोतोराक हाडलो दोतोरान म्हजो हात धरलो आनी कुचकत हांसोंक लागलो दोतोरान म्हजें फोकाण रोखडेंच पारकिलें ओगोत करुना रोखडेंच व्हडलें इनेसांव काडलें इनेसांव पळोवन बाबा म्हजें रगत सुद्दां निवलें आनी उठोन हांवें दोतोराच्या कानान अशें म्हणलें आगा जाय गे म्हाका दोतोर जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तेका केला शिरवाय पूण म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय आगा जाय गे म्हाका दोतोर जाय 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 पोपाय जाय म्हाका जाय रावची ना हांव तेका केला शिरवाय पूण म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय This is in Aurangabad district, Maharashtra state, Kailash temple. It is cut from one mountain from top to bottom. This is the mountain and this is the inside of the mountain which is made a temple and it is known famously as the Kailash temple. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. And the temple was cut from top to bottom, not from bottom to top, from top to bottom. So the architect is perfect. These are all destroyed by the British who gunned the trunks of the elephant and the Portuguese who chopped off the heads of the elephants and took them to Portugal, and also the Aurangabad who tried to destroy the temple, but it still lasted for 1,200 years. It's still a living monument. It has to be named one of the seven wonders of the world. and also the Gaza. It's already named. Gaza pyramid is already named the seven wonders of the world, but this has to also be named as the seven wonders of the world. It took 200 years to carve the temple from the mountain, Cobalt Mountain, from top to bottom, and 20 generations who did all this work, craftsmen. There are other caves as well. This is I'm going around the temple. These are the lions and the elephants lifting up the temple foundation. It's called carved out of basalt stone, basalt rock, and this is the mountain which they have done the work. It is cut from top to bottom, and these are the pillars, and these are all the goddesses and gods, numerous gods and goddesses inside the carved mountain. Thank you very much.